Well, hello and welcome to this in my series on probability and tree diagrams. Again, as usual, this is an iGCSE, GCSE higher tier question, therefore suitable for 10th grade math. Now, here we go. It said Bill and Joe play some game of tennis. The probability that Bill wins the first game is 0.7. Okay, and then it says complete the probability tree diagram, and here's our diagram there. So if that's 0.7 there, that's got to be 0.3. all right, so Joe wins with a probability of 0.3 for the first game. Now it seems to me here that there must be 3 games: the first game, second game, and third game there. Okay, right, and it then says when Bill wins a game, the probability that he wins the next game is 0.8. Okay, let's have a look. Now, if Bill wins there, to win the second game requires a probability of 0.8. So that's 0.8 there. So if Bill wins with a probability of 0.8, it then means that Joe can win with a probability of 0.2. It's not impossible. That's what happens there. If Bill wins there, the probability that he's going to win the third game is going to be 0.8. So that's 0.8 there. And if that's 0.8, so that's going to be 0.2 there. Okay, I think that's it for Bill. Right, let's have a look for Joe. Right, when Joe wins a game, the probability that she wins the other game is 0.5. Okay, let's have a look. So she wins there, and then she wins there with a probability of 0.5, and that's what we got there, which that means that Bill has the chance of winning with a probability of 0.5 there. That's what we got there. Okay, or if Jill wins there, she can win there as well with a probability of 0.5, and that's what we got there. And if that's 0.5, then Bill can win the second game with a probability of 0.5 as well, and that's what we got there. So that completes the tree diagram. Okay, let's go back and check and make sure you understand what I've done there. Now moving on, it then says the first person to win 2 games wins the match, because there are 3 games. So if you win 2 out of the 3, the first person to get 2 games wins the match. And then it says calculate the probability that Bill wins the match. Okay, let's have a look at Bill's prospect. So that's Bill there. So Bill can win there with a probability of 0.7, and the second game with probability of 0.8. So we got 0.7 times 0.8, that gives us 0.56. Or Bill can win the first game, and Joe wins the second game, and Bill wins the third game. So we got 0.7 times 0.2 times 0.5. So 0.7 times 0.2 times 0.5, that will give us 0.07 or 0.07. Or Joe can win the first game, Bill wins the second game, and Bill wins the third game. So that's 0.3 times 0.5 times 0.8, and that's what we got there. 0.3 times 0.5 times 0.8. And we got 0.12. And if you add all these, yes, you get 0.75. Now, if we are right here, the probability of Joe winning the match is it will be 1 minus 0.75, which is 0.25. Let's check it out. Right, Joe's prospects. Now, Bill can win the first game, Joe the second game, and Joe the third game. That's 0.7 times 0.2 times 0.5, and we have 0.7 times 0.2 times 0.5. That's 0.070, 0.07. Okay, or Joe can win there, first game, Bill wins the second game, and Joe wins the third game. So that's 0.3 times 0.5 times 0.2, and we got that there. So 0.3 times 0.5 times 0.2, okay, and that gives 0.03. Or we can have 0.3 and 0.4, so you can win first game and second game. and the probability of that happening will be 0.3 times 0.5 and 0.15. Now if you add all these, you should get 0.25, and if you add 0.7 to 0.25, you get 1, as we expect. I hope all that made some sense, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye now.